Hi guys, Luke here from LumaFusioniPhone, and I'm back with another case for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Today we're looking at some exclusive limited edition cases from Casekoo, and these ones are pretty different. So Valentines is around the corner and Casekoo reached out and said, look, we've got some brilliant limited edition cases we want you guys to review. So they sent over their AirLov Cloud Cush cases. So we've got a blue and a pink. So if you've been to my channel before, I've done several reviews for Casekoo before, so go check those out. But for today, if you're in the market for a present for your loved one, stay tuned and let's jump in and take a look. Okay, so let's have a quick look around the packaging as we usually do. So we'll start with the one on the left. I don't know which one's which yet. So at the front, as you can see, we've got Casekoo and the limited edition Valentines case, which is really nice. Flipping it over to the side, there's nothing there. And then on the back, it's pretty generic, so just general text and no information about the case. So let's pop this one to the side and flip this one open. Okay, so it looks like we've got the pink one. So presentation in the box so far is really nice. You can see Casekoo and nothing, and I've added a heart in there, which is pretty nice. So flipping it open, got the usual Casekoo stickers. If you guys want those out of either box, drop a comment down below and I will post them to you. What we'll actually do, we'll get both out because the features are going to be the same. It's just the difference in colour. And there you go. So very nice. So what we'll do, we'll go for the inside and then we'll pop the phone in and go for the outside. Go for the features and then price and then whether I recommend this case. So we'll go for the pink one first. So looking on the inside, you can see we've got a little tag there, which I'm guessing is a sticker to keep the Magsafe ring in. There's not a lot else going on the inside. So you can see we've got the picture there of this lady that they've chosen to put on the case. So let's flip it over. So that's the back of the case now. So what we'll do is we'll pop the phone in. So that is the phone in the case. So that already goes quite nice with my black titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's just run around the case and see what features we got. So you can see we've got this print. There's a lady there. She's got flowing hair. There's a kiss. There's looks like roses or flowers or something to go around the outside. And then you have your Magsafe kickstand there. So if you've not looked at one of the videos on my channel for Casekoo before, the big unique selling point for Casekoo on all of their cases is that they have this kickstand. And the kickstand is cool because it allows you to prop your phone up in several different positions, which you'll be able to see throughout the video. It is also a Magsafe case, so if you've got Magsafe accessories, you can still use Magsafe with this case, and you also get the benefit of it being a kickstand case. The kickstand is thoroughly tested by Casekoo to make sure it's going to last, and it allows, as I said, it gives you the flexibility to use your phone in like portrait, which is like that, or landscape. So if you're watching a video or anything, or trying to listen to a podcast, you can just pop your phone up and carry on. So yeah, the kickstand is my favourite feature on the cases from Casekoo, and it makes them pretty unique. So what I want to do is just see how protected we are on those cameras, because at the end of the day this is a very protective case, and I'll go over that in a sec. But the cameras, as you can see, have pretty decent protection. So there's a lip that goes all the way around, so nothing to worry about there. And talking about protection, as I said, the benefit with Casekoo and their Cloud Cush cases is that it's like, almost feels like a bubble. There's literally a cushion that goes around the outside of the case, and it's thick, and what that gives you is military grade drop protection. So I'd love to do a drop test for you guys, but I can't afford to buy a new iPhone if it goes wrong. You can see there's a thick cushion around the outside. As I said, the buttons are there, so let's do a button test. I'm just going to put it to the mic. So lovely, really clicky and responsive buttons. And then what you've got here, so the cushion, as I said, goes around the outside, but what you've got on both sides, which makes this unique, is a 3D printing. And there's 5 hearts just on the outside there, and then 5 hearts on the outside there. So those are 3D hearts, and they use their in-mold layering to put those on and then put the case over the top of it to make it secure, so the hearts won't get damaged and they'll be as good as they are in a year's time as they are today. We've got the Casekoo logo just at the bottom there, and your ports and speakers are nice and protected with thick cushioning around the outside. Just bringing the blue in, so let me just swap so we can have a look at that. Okay, and there's a blue one. So the difference with this one is all the same features, but it's got a magnet in the middle instead, so you've still got your kickstand. And you can see this one will be for those of you who want to get your partner a blue one. So if you are in the market for a present for your loved one this Valentine's Day and they are into technology, or you're looking at their case and you're thinking that case could do for a refresh, then these cases are pretty different. They're pretty cool, and it obviously fits the purpose that Valentine's Day offers. As for price, you're looking at $59. So if you are interested in picking up one of the cases, I'll leave my affiliate link in the description down below. If you enjoyed looking at the cases, make sure you hit subscribe and jump down in the comments below and let me know, what do you think of these cases and which one is your favorite? Are you team blue or team pink? Leave a pink heart emoji or a blue heart emoji and I will reply to you. So a massive thank you to the guys over at Casekoo for sending their AirLov case over for me to review today. Thank you for watching. I'm Luke from Luke Tech Reviews, and I'll see you next time.